Hello everyone. Today we're gonna make brioche for Ramadan. Very soft and delicious. This is tradition for us. We have here 5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of soft butter, room temperature, 2 eggs, half cup of sugar. I have 1.5 warm milk here. See how? I add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil on it. I didn't show it to you guys, but I just add it with the milk. And just mix it with your fingers and add little by little the liquid. You know by now, different flours takes different, amount of liquid. So if your flour it takes too much liquid and it gets dry for you, just add the warm milk, warm it and add it little by little until you get the consistency. Don't make it too sticky. It's okay, stick a little bit, it's okay. Just keep kneading it. Now I pour it on the counter. It has to be clean and just knead it. See, in the beginning it's sticky in your hands. Just get the oil and put the oil on your surface a little and put it on your hand. Knead it like 5 minutes because this type of dough needs to be kneaded. Stretch it, when you stretch it. See how the way I'm doing it right now. Now you just cover it and leave it like half hour until it rises a little. Now it's a little bit raised. I'm gonna prepare it now. Just fold it the way I'm doing it in. See how? Make it as a log and just cut it into pieces. It depends on you how big is the pieces. So just cut it small, big, doesn't matter. Flatten it, see the way I'm doing it. And just fold it, roll it in. See how? Close it on the side so it doesn't open. Roll it. Flatten it a little. Just make a design. Go ahead and cut it halfway, not the whole thing. Just see on the edge, just to make it a design. See, bring it on the sides and just close it. If it's not open all the way, just fix it. Put it on top of each other and just see, comes like a flower. Now I finished. Put the parchment paper on a tray. You just place it on. After you make your design, cover it and let it rise halfway for 30 minutes. Then brush 1 egg on the dough. Add black seed and sesame seed as you like. Then put it aside to rise for another 30 minutes. Afterwards, bake it at 350 to 400, depend on your oven, until it looks like this, until it gets brown on top. It's delicious. Just eat it with milk or soup, anything.